Asha, and today I will be speaking about the Zoom, how to actively use the Zoom application when you're in a Zoom meeting. So the Zoom application, just to give you a background, has been the new effective and efficient way for employees, bosses, teachers, students, clients, even parents to effectively communicate through an online platform. So first off, at the bottom, there's a list of different controls, and you're able to access different things to effectively um, process your meeting. First of all, there's the mute button. So mute basically meaning there's no sound, you're pausing, or there's no audio. So pressing it will, as you're talking, will say you are muted now. If you want to unmute, press it again. If something happened emergency-wise, or the teacher said please mute all your buttons, you mute all your voices, so you just press the mute button. Second of all, there's the video, and right now I have the camera off because I haven't pressed it. And then if I press it, the camera is on. If you want to go back to stop video, press it. We also have participants. Participants allows you to see how many people are in the meeting. So far, just me, the host. You can invite more people through your email or your contacts. If you are the person that's hosting it, you can mute all. So if you're a teacher and you want everyone muted and you to be the only one talking, that is also possible. So it's very effective. Chat is basically to effectively communicate with one another through the means of writing. So basically you can write to each other. And if the teacher says, if you have any questions, please put them in the chat box, or she'll answer them later. Or if she asks a question, has everyone type it in the chat box. So it's very effective and gives more autonomy to class. Record is basically for the host that wants to record the meeting and then perhaps to save it and download it and have people watch it later if they need to, if it's for students or for employees or clients. It's very effective. And then lastly, there's also reactions. So you can maybe raise your hand, clap, raise your hand as I have, laugh at something. You can heart something if someone did a nice speech, and so forth. Share is usually something that you want to share in your session, so you can press share screen and share it through your files. You can also, with share, one participant can share at a time. You can click that one, or multiple participants can share simultaneously. So it can be, for example, if you're doing a one-on-one, you can have, and the teacher wants you to show her something, you can also press this so that both you and the student are able to share. And security basically is the control room. It gives you, as the host, able to lock meeting, share screen, chat, rename themselves, etc. You can even suspend participant activities if needed, and then if any issues had occurred, and hide profile pictures, etc. Okay, I hope this was a very effective and efficient way. And then if you need to end or you have to finish the meeting or leave early, you can leave meeting, and then for the host, end meeting for all.